So this is my campsite. It has a car over there. It has a tent over there. My mom is making something mysterious, and then there's some coffee cooking over there, and it's a painting. Okay, so here are all our chairs. This is a little chair. This is a little chair. This is my chair, and this is my friend's chair, and these are baby chairs, and this is like the forest we're camping in. It's like pretty cool. That's another camper. Those are other campers. Hey, other campers. And let's go to the water. Did you spot any lions? You have to be joking me. There's not gonna be any lines here. There's only plastic. I'm trying to make a comedy. Look, a bear was chasing me out of it, and I stole its Cheetos. Okay, so now we gotta run. Okay, so you guys stay here, and I'll try finding some stuff that'll be useful in the forest. It's been 3 hours since he's gone. Where is he? Sometime. I think he's coming out. What happened? There's a bear chasing me because I stole its chip. We have to run. So guys, I'm gonna go out there to see if I can find anything useful, and you guys just stay right here, and I'll be coming in a second. It's been 3 hours since he left. Where is he? Wait, I hear something. Is he coming? That's him. I should go. What happened? Oh wait, my chip's up. Okay, so I was being chased by. I stole a bear's chip, and the bear's chasing us. We have to run. Okay, so we're right now roasting eggplant on a grill. We're using a flame and charcoal to roast the eggplant. We're staying pretty far. We're trying to be safe, and we're not staying that close. So don't worry, guys. We're not in danger. There's a lot of smoke, but good, and it's not coming this way, so we can film this. Now the wind is blowing to us, so yeah, there's a lot of smoke coming. And this grill we bought, so we can do camping, and there's eggplants, and we're trying to make some recipe. So yeah, and also sorry for the other noises. Our parents are talking, so yeah, like normal parents do, obviously. So yeah, that's the end. They're a part of the PTA, the parents who talk a lot. That's what PTA stands for. So that's the end for this mini vlog. I hope you like this. Stay tuned. Okay, so guys, this is day 2 of our camping, and we're gonna go to this monument point. It's 0.6 miles, and then after that, we're going to the Frog Lake, which is 1.6 miles. So this will be a pretty long trip. Not that much because I hiked a lot. So we're gonna go to the monument, then the frog. Let's go. So we've been walking for actually just a few minutes. And we haven't reached the monument yet, probably because it's 0.6 miles, and we've just been walking for a few minutes. So we're gonna walk to the monument, and I know I'm walking backwards, and that's kind of wrong. So I'm gonna walk normally. We're pretty high, and if I fall, I'll probably die. Who cares? No, I'm fine. So we're hiking up. We're hiking up over there, and we're gonna go up to the monument. See you there. Wow! Look at the view over there. It's really cool, and it's really far way down, so if we make one wrong step, we'll probably fall. And really fall. So, yeah, so this is so I'll see you at the monument.
It's a very nice hike, right?
So I guess we found a deadly rattlesnake. We're trying to go past it. So guys, we're really tired and we didn't find the lake. It might be dried up because it's summer, but I don't think a whole lake could be dried up. So we're climbing up a long hill back to camp. I'll see you there. Yeah, but we're like in a rainforest thing, which is really cool. Thank you, and see you at camp.